Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can make an AI 1930s look trend in CapCut. So if you are using TikTok, you probably knew that there is a trend now where you use a photo of yourself to know what would you look like in the 1930s. So here, what you need to do on CapCut, you can just use the CapCut template. So I'm going to head to the CapCut templates tab. Okay, so in here you can see now there is this how I would look like in the 1930s. So now it is trending. You can see if I scroll down, there are lots of 1930s templates that you can use. So if you guys can find it, you can just click on the search column and find AI 1930s. Click on enter. Okay, so now it is trending, at least in my country. So what you need to do is just click on the template and click on the use template, then add the photo that you want. So you can add a photo of yourself in here. So I'm going to use, for example, this photos right here. Now click on next and wait for the AI 1930s filter to apply to your photos. Okay, so now it will be generating like this. So this is the photo and this is the photo with the 1930s filter. So you can just click on export to save the video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.